Even if you have your heart set on a specific job or industry, take at least a little time to use the tools in the Explore Occupations section of Job and Career Accelerator. You'll discover a wealth of information about the jobs you're already familiar with, as well as those you may have never considered or even heard about. One of them may just be the perfect career path for you. The Explore Occupations area includes important facts and information for more than 1,000 occupations. They are broken down into 6 handy categories. Click on Launch Career Tool to jump directly to the category of your choice. In the InDemand Occupations section, you'll find careers that show strong signs of growth in the future. The Occupation Groups section shows related careers organized into groups. If you are an active member of the military or a veteran, make sure to research your options in the Military to Civilian section. Just enter the branch of the service you were in and the name or code of your classification. Then press Go. You'll see a list of personalized options that show you which civilian careers match up best with the training and skills you gained in the service. Under Green Economy Occupations, you can find careers that help improve the environment. Use the STEM Occupations section to browse through occupations that require education in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Finally, you can use Hot Jobs in Tech to discover what types of software skills and technologies are the most in demand in today's economy. Here, you can browse alphabetically or search within the list. And sort results by rank or occupation title. If you'd like to use keywords to search through the occupation cards, you can do that too. Explore Occupations is a section of the Job and Career Accelerator that you shouldn't skip over. Spend just a few minutes using it, and you may discover a new career path that will be rewarding through years to come.